strong.
Hello, I'm Victor from parmeTECH. I'm a field service engineer, and I want to go over one of the most common problems I've seen in the field while visiting customers doing service calls. This particular issue can be remedied by the customer rather quickly without placing a service call waiting for a service technician to show up before your machine's operational again. If you come over here, I will show you that there is some whiteout on the automatic document feeder. This little piece of glass is where it scans the paper through the automatic document feeder. So how does this happen? This happens when you have a document, you may have a little mistake on there, you put a little whiteout on it, and before it has a chance to dry, you put it in the automatic document feeder, it runs through and puts this line on the glass. So you can probably just grab yourself some handy wipes. I'm sure they are available at every station nowadays. You take that and you just wipe very gently, and there you go. The line is gone. Close the document feeder, rescan your document after the whiteout is dried, of course, and now you have a nice solid document without any line going down it. And for more tips and tricks, be sure to follow us and subscribe. And until next time, have a wonderful day.